2020 started with a bang, fireworks. Sales activity is up 15%, new listings are down 17%, and active listings are down 35%, all of which lead to very much a seller's market, somewhat reminiscent of Q1 2017 before the government intervened and everything leveled off and cooled in the suburbs. And the big question is why? Where are all these people coming from, and is it sustainable over the long term? And I'm seeing corporations locating their head offices in the downtown core to pull talent from the east, west, and north who are unwilling to commute. I see a low interest rate environment that's going to continue for the short to mid-term. Toronto's unemployment rate holding steady at 5.7%, inflation at 2.2%. I see a US election in 2020 where hopefully that big orange man does not get elected, the uncertainty around that, Brexit, and then finally we have record immigration and migration. Last year we saw 230 to 240,000 people move to Ontario. The average price of a home across the entire GTA was about $840,000 last month, but we only focus on the downtown core where the average detached home was $2.1 million with 3.7 months of inventory. Now, with so few detached homes trading hands every month, it's easy for those average prices and months of inventory to be skewed or vary widely from month to month. Semi-detached homes averaging 1.33 million with 1.4 months of inventory, and finally condos, average price of $821,000, which is a huge jump over the previous month where it was $723,000. Months of inventory at 1.5. So we are very far from that 4 to 5 months of inventory to be in balanced market territory. For the past few months, we've been commenting on a noticeable slowdown in the rental market. The sky is not falling, the market is not correcting. However, properties that we were leasing out in the early fall 2019 in a matter of days are now taking weeks and in some cases months. With 30,000 condos set to come to some form of occupancy or registration this year, which is a big jump over previous years, I do anticipate that rental rates will start to level off. They already have started to, in my opinion. I also hope that this translates into prices that continue to appreciate, but at a much slower rate, because the current rate of rapid appreciation isn't sustainable over the long run. Anybody who's using a $6 to $6.50 a square foot rental rate to justify a $1,400, $1,500, or $1,600 a square foot purchase price in the new construction market should be very careful if this is their expectation over the next 12, 24 to 30 months.